Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin is currently just sort of following the wave count here. The idea was that we come down in this wave 2 correction and in an ABC structure. So we're currently, based on this analysis, in a C wave. So the C wave is typically a 5-wave move. And at the moment, because the move up into resistance was just corrective, I'm counting that still as a wave 4. And the move down currently started impulsive, so I'm looking at this as a wave 5. So that means with another low below the third wave low, which was made on Monday, I zoom in a little bit, with one more low, this correction could be finished. I'm looking at either 88.74 or 85.40 as support. Below 85.40, I have to change the wave count and the assumption, and it will most likely invalidate the bullish scenario. Now, that is a bit of a make or break point. Official make or break point is 81.77. That means officially, formally, this setup to the upside, this 1-2 setup, which could result in a third wave rally, will only formally be invalidated below 81.77. But below 85.40, actually already below $88, probabilities are already starting to shift towards a more bearish outcome. But at the moment, everything is okay. We had an A wave, which was unusually strong. So the A wave came down a little bit too much, in my opinion. Yeah, just below the golden ratio, that's a deep A wave. The B wave was very weak. And I'm looking at the option now of, a C wave, but it is running out of space. So ideally not more than one more low. Now, I cannot guarantee we get that additional low, okay? And that's why I've got this yellow support area, because this is the larger support area for the wave 2 where Litecoin has a chance to turn around. And the thing is, I do have a 5-wave move to the upside of the, let me just double check that, yeah, of the Monday low, yeah? I've got a 5-wave move up. It would only be a diagonal, so I just want to mention it's not a highly likely scenario. And this is anyway the larger setup, but this could be a 5-wave move in a wave 1, but only as a diagonal. They need to prove themselves. So wave 1 to the upside, and then this could become a WXY structure in a wave 2. And as long as it's holding below the Monday low, it could go directly. This is nothing I'm primarily looking for, because the move up ended in resistance, is actually at the perfect target for a 4th wave. The 94.80 level, yeah, I think we talked about that in a previous video, but it's the perfect target for a 4th wave, 38.2 retracement, and yeah, and the diagonal always needs to prove itself, so it cannot really be the primary scenario. So I think it would fit better to make one more low, but bear in mind that on the smaller time frames, especially on the altcoin, in the altcoin market, you sometimes see distortions and you don't get that last low. Technically, this could have already happened here, that last low with a truncation. But anyway, as long as it's holding 85.40, the focus can be on higher in a 3rd wave. But at the moment, I have no strong indication. Here would go higher to $240, $150 plus, ideally. Yeah, but the condition is it needs to hold 85.40. So that's also why in this yellow area, the reward to risk ratio is quite good. I cannot promise you that the box is holding, support is holding. We had some really good support areas here and trend reversal areas that worked out. But I cannot promise you that this is going to hold. But if it does, it should hold here. Below 85.40, I mean, there is an alternative bullish scenario, but it would cause a much deeper pullback, maybe into the $50 to $60 range. But we will not really have to discuss that in detail as long as the current wave count isn't broken. And it will start to break below 88.74, and it is broken below 81.77. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.